Morning everyone, this is Horrible Bible Reading Platform. Today I'm reading Matthew chapter 7 verse 7 to 9 in Horrible language. Obi Matthew Uyomi Royi Igwe Awo Royi Igwe Rite Iriri verse 7 No Kakewe Wono Kewomre Wuru Eke Keriekewe verse 8 Kidie Okwo Kokwo Ronori Komre Orogwonori Kowo Orokworeke Kerieke verse 9 Ono ve ohri re owana re omoroyin dano ikpere ikara roda ve ubiaraga kere. Thank you.